the next load in.
Copy that. BGB-4 on approach.
Bay 5 clear. Bring the next flatbed in.
Copy that. Tracking.
Scan complete. Pallet heading to line 3.
Keep them flowing, folks. We got 4 more trucks outside.
Barcode good. Conveyor ready.
6 robots feeding steel, 4 tables cutting in parallel, and a conveyor never stopping. Each beam carves through quarter-inch plate like butter, leaving edges ready for assembly the moment they cool. The technicians keep a close watch from the console, but the system practically runs
At each station, 20-foot reach robots handle 800-pound power plants as if they were weightless. Autonomous vehicles deliver engines on cue. Riggers, secured in harnesses, guide the final inches with laser accuracy. 4 stations.
Got the loom.
Thanks, Atlas. I'll route it in now.
Connector set coming up on station 4. Good alignment.
Inserting, lock, and secure. Perfect.
Keep it steady, team. Dashboard's moving at 8 centimeters a second.
Inspect but close. Tolerance passes. Marking as acceptable. Green light coming up, and it's through.
6,200 RPM. Holding steady. Thermal map looks clean.
Guided by vision, the nozzle lays down a perfect path of structural adhesive, every curve and corner followed within tenths of a millimeter. From overhead, the camera watches and measures. Each bead is tracked in real time. Along the side panels, the robots pivot and tilt, applying glue to complex 3D.
Twelve robots handle the heavy lifting, lowering each 80-pound door with the same smooth, repeatable motion every time. Alignment lasers confirm a perfect 2-millimeter gap before the door ever leaves the station. From
8 heavy robots place and align the 100-pound seat assemblies. 6 upholsterers follow, torquing bolts and finishing upholstery. Autonomous guided vehicles keep the pallets flowing, feeding the line without pause.
Pairing console 907. Link is active.
Got it. Moving to final check.
Robotic suction arms guide each windshield with millimeter accuracy. Green LEDs confirm grip as the glass glides into position. 8 skilled glaziers lay a flawless urethane bead, uniform, strong, and weatherproof. Fresh glass arrives on A-frames via autonomous delivery.
Spin. At this wheel station, precision is automatic. A 6-axis robot sets the tire onto the rim, locks the bead, and hits it with a blast of air. 1 down. The wheel rolls to the balancer. Sensors map every gram while the computer prints the correction.
Perfect fill. No drip.
Coating looks uniform. I'm getting full coverage here.
Sensors green across the board. Preparing the next chassis.
Probe connections are clean. Current holding steady at 12 volts across all nodes.
Copy that. Dashboard is solid green, no anomalies.
Next chassis coming in 5 seconds. Keeping mass test scale locked.
Front left toe is green, camber locked at -1. Rear numbers are coming in now.
Copy that. Bay 4 is confirmed within spec.
All stations, alignment complete. Perfect across the board.
Front quarter panel clear.
Moving past Station 3.
Rechecking console gap. Reading .17.
Defect resolved.
Copy. Logging.
Inside each cavity, a precision nozzle floods the metal with rust-fighting wax. The amber coating clings, levels, and seals every seam, forming a continuous barrier. Robotic arms articulate to reach around rails and crossmembers, ensuring no bare steel is left behind.
A precision robot lays down a microburst of silver, filling a chip no wider than a hair. The repair level's perfectly flush, then a painter feathers it in with an airbrush so fine it looks like mist on glass. Under inspection lights, the chassis glows. No trace of the blemish remains.
Reading 31,420 candela. Beam uniformity 0.92.
Pattern stable. Floor sensors green.
Rotating grid now?
Yeah, clean cutoff. Good dispersion. All systems perfect. Pushing data to final log.
Copy that. Rolling to continuous flow.
Every panel, every seam, examined. The final PDI line brings 12 inspectors together, each focused on one goal, release perfection. While human eyes check the details, diagnostic robots sweep the systems. No error goes unnoticed, none leave untested.
The crane lines up, lowering the crossover into its slot on the 7th tier. Every placement is confirmed with a VIN scan before the record is logged. From above, you can see how tightly each vehicle fits, maximizing storage density. Thousands of completed cars.
Robot 9 should be turning in now. Looks good. We'll have the lane filled in under 3 minutes.
Robot 32 just freed up another 4 slots on row K.
Got it. I'm routing 2 more to backfill.
The grid's looking clean. We'll hit full capacity by noon.
And still room to breathe. Love watching them work.
Scan complete. DAL serial ending 53. Condition all green.
Copy that. Slot 7 confirmed. You're clear to send it up.
Keep it straight. Good. Up the ramp. Slow and steady. Come forward. A little more. Hold it straight. You're lined up. Bring it on up. And stop there. Perfect.
Track 4, lane B is clear. Bring the next one in.
Copy. Rolling the sedan.
R12, align for car 7. Lasers are live.
Robots on the mark. Pushing.
Coupling locomotives now. Stand clear.
Connection good. Train secure.
Catwalk 3, all clear. Continuing control.
Line 4 just cleared the paint queue. Throughput's holding steady.
Copy. We're at 1,400 vehicles today, only 100 shy of target.
Zooming on Weldbot 7, health 98%, cycle time 18.7. I'll schedule an inspection for next shift.
Acknowledged. Yard occupancy is 62%. Next truck leaves in 8 minutes.
From raw steel to rolling stock, it's one continuous flow. Materials are received, cut, and sorted. Welding robots stitch the backbone, and massive jigs pull everything into line. Assemblies grow into full car bodies. Paint robots lay down a flawless finish. Laser arrays and